Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It is a decentralized global computing network that powers applications without a central authority. At its core, Ethereum is a platform that allows developers to build and run software that is transparent, secure, and always online. The token associated with the network is called Ether. Users spend it as fuel to process transactions and run programs on the blockchain. Ethereum relies on smart contracts, which are digital agreements that execute automatically when specific conditions are met by the parties involved. While Bitcoin is primarily designed as a digital store of value, Ethereum is designed to be a programmable foundation for decentralized software projects. The ecosystem has grown significantly, reflecting increased participation in decentralized finance and other applications built on the Ethereum network infrastructure. Think of it as a global shared computer that is resistant to censorship and available to anyone with an internet connection. Understanding the technology behind these assets is key to informed decision-making. Thanks for watching, and remember to research before you engage.